Big story here on India Today with inputs from central agencies and some state police inputs. A massive crackdown on a terror plot. 6 suspected terrorists have been arrested. 2 had crossed the border and got training across the border in Pakistan, and they've returned to India earlier this year. The Delhi police says it cannot rule out political rallies in Uttar Pradesh being targeted ahead of 2022 elections. 6 people have been taken into custody. Raids are happening in multiple cities and in multiple states. Raids are underway. Let me quickly cut across for more details. But first, what all do we know so far? Jan Mohammed is a suspected terrorist. He's been arrested. Osama is a suspected terrorist. He's been arrested. Zishan Kamar, again a suspected terrorist. He's been taken into custody. Abu Bakr is a suspected terrorist. He's been arrested. These are some of the names of the suspected terrorists. Mulchand is another suspected terrorist who's been taken into custody along with Jan Mohammed, Osama, Zishan Kamar, Abu Bakr. More details coming out, but before that, let's quickly listen in to the Delhi Police. Neeraj Thakur, Special Commissioner of Delhi Police. Let's listen in.
केंद्रीय एजेंसी से हमें एक इनपुट मिला था कि भारत के कुछ प्रमुख शहरों में कुछ आतंकी घटनाएं करने की एक साजिश हो रही है, जो कि बॉर्डर के उस पार से है। इसमें एक जब ह्यूमन और टेक्निकल इनपुट्स को एनालाइज किया गया तो देखा कि ये तो कई स्टेट्स में फैला हुआ एक काफ़ी बड़ा नेटवर्क है, और आज सुबह इसको ऑपरेशन को कंक्लूड करते हुए हमने सिमल्टेनियसली कई राज्यों में रेड करी। सबसे पहले एक महाराष्ट्र के रहने वाले समीर नाम के आदमी को गिरफ्तार करा है। इसको कोटा में एक ट्रेन में हमने गिरफ्तार करा। उसके बाद 2 आदमी दिल्ली में गिरफ्तार हुए, और इनसे जो आगे बातचीत मिली प्लस जो हमारे पास टेक्निकल इनपुट्स थे उसके ऊपर फिर यूपी में, जहां हमारे पास यूपीएटीएस का बहुत क्लोज कोऑपरेशन रहा, यूपीएटीएस के साथ मिलकर हमने 3 लोग वहां से अरेस्ट करे हैं। अभी तो रैगिश शुरू ही नहीं हुई थी, लेकिन जो हमें जो इनपुट्स है, जो इनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस आ रही थी, उनसे लगता है कि जो फेस्टिव सीज़न पे इन्होंने जो हमारी जहाँ पे कि गैदरिंग्स होती है, नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल्स होता है और जहाँ रामलीला होती है, वहाँ पे वो उनका लाइकली टारगेट था। लेकिन इसमें अभी आगे और इंटरोगेशन होनी बाकी है, तो उसको रूल आउट नहीं किया जा सकता।
So what sources in Delhi police insist that this is a Pakistan-sponsored terror module. Their aim was to target the upcoming festival season. Their aim apparently was also to target upcoming elections in Uttar Pradesh. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Shreya Chatterjee, joining us for more on this big story. Shreya, what more can you tell us about this suspected terror module and its components? Who are these suspected terrorists?
Well, there are 6 people who have been arrested by Delhi police in a joint operation along with Uttar Pradesh ATS. Now, there was a report that was actually received from the central agencies that there was a sleeper cell that was activated. Now, based on that, the operation was carried out. 6 people were arrested, 2 from Delhi, 3 from Uttar Pradesh, and 1 from Kota in Rajasthan. Now, there has been an involvement of the ISI as well as the underworld that has been found.
Okay, we'll try and improve that audio link with Shreya in just a moment. There'll be much more on this big story on India First at 10 p.m.